So given equation x cube plus y cube plus 3xy, what does this represents? So here I will write, this is x cube plus y cube 3xy. It is of the format a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab is 0, which has factors a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc 0, which implies x plus y minus 1 0. So it represents this straight line. Here it is, given equations. I'm writing 0 to 1, x of x dx is 2. 0 to 1, x is 4. Multiply this by 4. Say first equation, second equation, third equation. So 1 plus 3 minus 2. 0 to 1, fx dx minus 0 to 1, x of x dx plus 0 to 1, x square of x dx. So this I multiplied with 4. This also I multiplied with 4. 4 plus 4 minus 8, 0. So which I can write it as 0 to 1, x square of x dx minus 0 to 1, 4x fx dx plus 0 to 1, f of 4 f of x dx. 0 to 1, fx dx. So 0 to 1, x minus 2 whole square f of x dx 0. So he given x is in 0 to 1. So x minus 2 whole square cannot be 0. And f of x also he given greater, which implies 0 to 1. So it cannot be 0. So the number of functions satisfying above equation is 0. If fair coin is tossed 7 times, then probability that at least 3 consecutive head. When it tossed first 3 times, we can get head continuously or different possibilities will arise. To have exactly 3 heads, the next fourth trial we should not get head, we should get tail. After that we can get remaining 3 attempts anything. Getting head, we are getting head. getting tail is half, here getting head or tail. So here it is 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 16 was. Other possibility, we can get head 3 times in second, third, fourth attempts. Here tail, because first time getting head we already discussed. Here also tail. What will happen? We can replace with head, but we get 4 consecutive heads. That we'll discuss later. So here we can get half 1 by 2 power 5. Here one way. This is 1 by 32. Again, we can get head in third, fourth, fifth attempts. Total 7 attempts are there. Here we should get tail. Here you can get anything. Here tail, here anything. Here also half power 5. So next case will be fourth, fifth, sixth attempt. Here tail must be there. Here can be anything. So again half power 5. So the last case, head. Here a tail must be there. Here can be anything. Anything means one possibility. So half power 4, 1 by 60. So probability of getting exactly 3 heads is 2 by 16 plus 3 times 1 by 13. 2, 4 plus 3, 7 by 13. He told here at least 3 heads. Let us discuss the case when 4 heads. The similar way, if you get 4 heads, here tail, here can be anything. So half power 5, here it is head or tail. It's 2 by 2, one way like that. So next will be here tail, head, here tail. So now 6 cases, 7, here can be anything. So half power 6. Similarly, third, fourth, fifth, sixth head. Here tail, here can be anything. Here also tail. So it is half power 6. Again, fifth, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh attempt. Here tail. That is 1 by 2 power 5, 1 by 30. Probability of exactly 4 consecutive heads will be 2 times 1 by 32 plus 2 times 1 by 64, which is 3 by 38. Let us use some space here. For 5 consecutive heads, head. Here it is tail. So half power 5, here consecutive 5 heads. Here tail, it can be anything here. So half power 6. Tail, head, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So 7th attempt, again we should get tail. Then exactly 5 heads. So it is half power 7. So next case will be here in third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Here it must be tail, here it can be anything. Half power 6. So here we get Adding this 1 by 64 two times, that is 1 by 32 plus 1 by 128. So 5 by 128. Getting 6 heads, head, 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 tail. That is 1 by 2 power 7. Again, tail, head, 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 1 by 2 power 7. Adding these two, 1 by 64 will get. 7 heads, that is 1 by 2 power 7. Now, adding all this, we get the probability of getting at least 3 consecutive heads. Seven by 32 plus 5 by 128 plus 1 by 64 plus 1 by 10 by 32, 6 by 128 plus 1 by 64, 4 by 64, 1 by 60. So here it is 12 by 32, which is 3 by 8. Yeah, the minimum distance between what this represents. Here you have a line 1 comma 0 here, 2 comma 0 here. Z is some point. Z minus 1 represents this line. Z minus 2 represents this line. Like that you have many points. So it forms a circle. Now, similarly, Z minus 2 is 2 times Z minus 1. So here somewhere Z minus 2 represent this distance Z minus 1. So like this you can have one more point. So such points, all the points are joined to get another circle. So what he is asking is least distance, that is AB. So this is a point on the circle. This point divides the ratio 2:1 by using section formula. This point has coordinate 5 by 3 commas. To find out B, it's 1, 0. There is B. So this is 1:2. So here it's 4 by 3 comma 0. So the least distance will be 5 by 3 minus 4 by 3. It's 1 by 3. This one, he told major axis is x-axis, then ellipse will be like this. So here from this I can say f of k square plus 2k plus 5 is greater than, since he told decreasing function, functional values are greater, numbers k minus 6 less than 0, k plus 3 into k minus 2 less than, which implies k belongs to your 66th question. Let us take m, or because already answered there, u, v. So then adding 2x will be u plus v. Subtracting, you get y as 4 times u minus v. F of u comma will be u plus v by 2 into 4 times u square minus v square. 2 times f n comma m will be, adding all this, will be 0, whatever may be the, so it's for all n. Here it is, cubic equation f of x here is to trace the curve, differentiate and see where it takes the turn, and f of minus infinity, f of infinity will be infinity. So definitely take turns at -1 plus 1. At minus infinity, it will be like this. So now has three distinct real roots. 1, 2, 3. It take turn at -1 because at this point derivative is 0. F of -1 is greater than 0. F of 1 is less than 0. F of -1, a greater than f of 1 will be, a lies between -2 and 2. Here x minus 1 minus x square, I will write discriminant if I find -3 less than 0. So x square coefficient and expression have same sign. That means minus of x square plus x minus 1 less than 0, which implies we can write it as that is x square minus x plus 1. Similarly, other expression, if you consider here also discriminant negative, which implies is positive since x square coefficient is positive. So which implies here it is. So second inequality, once you solve it, x square minus x plus 1 is less than or equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. Get cancel out. So 2x is less than 3, x is less than 1.4. 12, 17, 18 points are there. Here, the arithmetic mean of 2 sine 2 plus 4 sine 4 plus 6 sine 6, 180 sine 180. Arithmetic means here 2, 180, 90 terms are there. So multiply and divide with sine 1 degree. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos 3 minus cos 5. Similarly, 2 sine 6 cos 5 minus cos 7. Here 2 sine 180 sine 1 cos 179 minus cos 181. Adding all this, minus 2 cos 3 plus cos 5 plus cos 179, that cos 5 plus 2 cos 5 plus cos 7 like that, minus 2 cos 181. Cos 1 plus cos 179, cos 3 plus cos 177. Like this, all you consider. Here it is 3 times. Here it is 90 times. So this each expression You get the cos 90 term 0, 0 minus 9 cos 181 by sin 1, which is minus 90 cos 180 plus 1 by sin 1. So cot 1. Equation of the line which is at maximum distance here, as lambda changes, so different lines you get, that all the family of lines passes through fixed point. There is one line which is at maximum distance from the point 1 comma 2. So first let us find distance. So here if you take 1 plus lambda, root of 1 plus lambda whole square plus 2 plus lambda whole square. 5 plus 2 lambda minus 2 lambda get cancelled. 6 lambda plus 5. So lambda plus 6 by, this is a function of lambda. F dash lambda will be into 1 minus here it is 4 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 3 lambda plus 12 lambda, 15 lambda plus, from here you can get minus 9 lambda, 5 minus 18. Lambda is, substituting here, 9x plus 18y plus 9, 13x minus 4x, 9 plus 26, 35. So fourth option. The area bounded by the circle y equal to root of 4 minus x square means upper part, y square equal to 3x. If you replace x with minus x, there is no change because mod minus x is mod x. Then it is symmetric about y-axis. So between curves and circle, this is the area which we have to find out. So where they intersect, let us, because one side it is enough to find. Let us solve. Y square is 4 minus x square. Y square is 3 mod x. So by considering x greater than 0, x plus 4 into x minus 1, 0. You will get x as 1. So now this area will be 0 to 1 minus root of 3x dx. X by 2 under root 4 minus x square, a square by 2 sin inverse x by 2. Here x power 3 by 2 by between. Here we are substituting the upper limit root 3 by 2 plus minus 0. So here 2 root 3 by 3, root 3 by 2 plus 5 by 6 minus is a1, which is 2 pi minus, but here this is a1. So total area is 2a1. This answer. Here alpha beta are the roots. Here alpha beta are the roots of equation. Some of the roots here is alpha plus beta is this. Alpha beta is minus 1. Product of the roots. Alpha beta is minus 1. So equation becomes product of the roots 0. So px square plus qx plus r. So p plus q plus r is that is what we have to prove. F of 1 plus f of 2 according to given relation 4f of 2. So f of 2 will be f of 3 will be 9f of 3. So f of 1 plus 8f of 3. So f of 3 will be f of 1 by 6. So it is f of 1 by 1 into 3. F of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 4 is 16f of 4. It is 9f of 3, 15f of 4. F of 4 is 9 by 15. F of 3 will be So we get f of 1 by 2 into 5. So here it is 1, 4, 6, 10. I think suitable formula. So when you take 1, 2 by 2, and you take here 2, 3, 3, 6, yes. So f of 2004 will be minus 2005 by n into n plus 1, 2004 into 2005 by 2 minus 1002. If it is plus, then it will be plus obviously. Here it is. Four distinct points are collinear means they lie on the same line. Let us say mx plus c is 2x power 4. Sum of the roots will be minus 7 by 2. Arithmetic mean will be here angle between asymptotes. We have a formula which is 45. Tan inverse b by a is tan 45 by 2 is this. 1 minus cos 45 by rationalizing, get this. So b square is a square into, so this is b by a. B square is root 2 minus 1 whole square. A square is this. A square minus 1 is which is A square is 4 minus 2 root 2. Third option.